And my brothers will be
You're watching live on
watch
Planet
one,
TV.
watch two, watch three.
19th of
And sometimes when I
August
finish all those watching,
2023,
they send me, go and do this one.
Agata Arise program, proudly sponsored by
the message David was sent to do was just like that.
It is a chairman of
all Hosea is the last born. Osi David gara Hosea is the last born. Why didn't you to go to the name they had impact? How are they basically and I guess also see. Imagine a bed na side moto. The nature can be seen with manner based asset or the other. At that time, I'm not interested in making it clear. All I'm interested is to answer that answer moto to start. Because it's in Africa, and I need to watch Sky again tomorrow. So this is why I need to say, "Go for the talk away for." If you want to make a furia. So those who need a bump of salary, those ones have a making. I can find us this one. Because of those in a with all your heart. That was the kind of message that David was going for that time. And yet, he saw a lion. Hey, if it was me in a good news, I'm for a walk or in a good motor. You know, I got a motor. I don't know enough to walk on a good motor. I am married to some motor that day. David saw lion. Instead of it with the opportunity around, lion tired of winning and God is your guy. God calling him body next day. What did he do? He fought the lion. Next day again, as if that was a mistake, he saw bear. He fought the bear. If you're a father, David Abata, say the lion, the Wesekwa, lion, the Wesekwa, the Wesekwa, the Wega, we have a side of Wegoya. You want to go around and want that thing. Because the time I want now, the time on now, who do you want to go with? Come on, stay one place. Open the light, they go on the money. Not a place, who are very one out of the because like a hospital. In a place, this place is a medical boy. Or feeling on the job of no, each of those will not but job in my head up in our. But this guy did it with all his heart. That was the story of this guy. So when we are seeing $1 million, understand that it's a sacrifice that took him to this place. And it was a sacrifice that nothing mattered to him but impact. The platform in Achelocating. You see a company, they make you 400,000 or they make you 500,000 every month. Now, God is now with 500,000. Where would they get it from? Well, let me tell you, it's just like what you say, your work will continue to speak for you until the right platform will locate you. And once the right platform locates you, your life will change. We have market drive. I'm rounding up now. We have market drive. There are things that drive the market. Number one is monopoly. Number two is what? Competition. Hello? And sometimes we always feel that monopoly is achieved by suppressing others so that you now be the only one standing. No. Monopoly is achieved by standing out in what you are doing. Hello? Imagine what Mr. Chima did. I even have apprentices that all they do is to go to the market to study what's happening in the market. And you'll be wondering how is he succeeding? How come? It's no business that they make money and everything. So monopoly is not trying to suppress others, looking for how to go to one tibia and tell them find a way, or looking for one night you just go and put the person's market, put the person's shop on fire, so that the person will no longer be there to challenge you. That can never, if that person is not there, another person will be there to challenge you. All you need to do is to become outstanding in what you are doing. If this guy, after paying him £50 million, went home and just relaxed after all I'm in a club, they wouldn't have been offering this particular one this time. But he was still putting in his best. He was still putting in his best. And I know some will always place you where others are. Hello? If you are just on average, you are just an average player, you are just an average engineer, you are just an average realtor, you are just an average whatever thing you are doing, you will remain at the level of what? Competition. You cannot decide for the market what to pay you. constant improvement. Constant what? Improvement. Look at these two phones. Do you remember this phone? Okay, we don't know this one. The one we know it. Oh, it's not the same place now. Remember this phone? Growing up, at least my father was buoyant enough to have a landline. And those days, people in our street will come and collect your phone number. So that if they want to give somebody your number, their number, they will give you that number. And we kind of say, "Na call phone and ring there." I think you see that your big way to that. See, I got caught. I got boy. I got boy. No, say na call any other bank. You know things like that was happening. Because landline there, not everybody could afford it. That was how people were answering calls those days. The way they were answering calls those days is, man, because you need phone number, can they friend or never, so that they won't can just die. But today, it's difficult to hear that there's nobody in this room that doesn't have a phone number. What has happened? Improvement. Now, there's something I wrote here. I say, don't always sleep any day the old version of you. Don't always sleep any day the old version of you. Let me tell you something. Any company that we are still maintaining that brand today that is still relevant means that that company is what is improving. The Facebook we used in 2004 is not the Facebook we are using today. A lot has improved. That's why every day you do an update, you see something new. They are improving. If they don't improve, but there are some things we were using in the past. They are not what we are using today. But we are still seeing the same services, but not from the same person. Because they did not do what? They did not improve. Other people ran ahead of them. Let me give you an example. Let's work with this phone. We started with Nokia, Nokia 3310. Our major concern when we are using this phone is that we answer call, right? Yes. Right? Yes. And suddenly, we keep answering call, we start feeling like the other things we can do with this phone. Suddenly, they started introducing things like camera, you will not snap it and look at how it is. Before you know it, they now introduce what we call Symbian phones using JavaScript for those that write code. They use JavaScript to make them. And at that time, we had the likes of Nokia N70, N72, which was a Symbian phone. And they were doing well. At that time, apps, people are now putting apps, normal Windows apps. You cannot do an app and put it on phone. You now have phone apps. You know, in coding, we code for phone, we code for computer, and also code for the internet. These are the three, all these coding you are hearing, these are the three places they end with. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, at that time, when we were doing Symbian phone, these guys relaxed. They felt they have what? Arrived. And by the time they felt they have arrived, suddenly BlackBerry from nowhere manifested. It looked as if that the BlackBerry was giving us more than what Nokia was giving us. All of us started giving your PVP. And then basically, and I think, making started ringing. Two of us. We are still in the same place, so it's still the same phone. But you are seeing where we left and where we are in the printing part. And suddenly, we moved down. And Apple and Nokia, Google brought out Android. You know it's Google that owns Android? Yes. Google brought out Android. Apple brought out their own iPhone. And they became so sophisticated that BlackBerry started struggling. Easy to use and all the we all ran to Android. And let me tell you, why those guys are there up to today, that nobody has been able to give us something more superior to what they do. And it is not like nobody has given us, it's because that every day you are enjoying them, they are bringing something new. Many of us today, the last book you read was the fire of an IE exam. If it was my final year exam that I read, that was the last book I read, I would not be speaking to you. I graduated in 2009. So there has to, what I mean by don't sleep any day the old version of you means that every day make sure that you are updating your version. Recently, all of us updated our WhatsApp version, right? And we saw the new features there. Did you see it? Yes. You know you can now edit your post. Yes. Hello? Do you know you can now edit your post? Yes. Do you know that now in group now you can now actually do a voice chat? These are new features. Why are they doing it? If they don't do it, competition will push it on the day. So make sure that every single day you are constantly improving. And how do you improve on a daily basis? How do you improve on a daily basis? If you look at it, I say that constant improvement is a product of what? Time. Constant improvement is a product of what? Time. He died on the sick bed. If all the money he had could not do what? Help him. I listened to Microsoft, I listened to Nokia, the owner of Nokia, when Microsoft bought over Nokia, when he was handing over, he handed over notes, he said, we did not do anything wrong. We did not do it, we are still maintaining the tempo, but the only thing is that we did not listen to the people. And the man cried. The owner of Nokia cried when he was handing over to Microsoft. Yahoo that we see today, Yahoo had the opportunity to buy over Google, but he felt these small ones. What can they do? Today, Vodafone bought Yahoo. So when you are not a better version of yourself, people will be buying you over. You will always be servicing other people's version. So let us not believe. Thank God we are now in an age that there is nothing you cannot get. At least with that phone you are holding in your hand, there is nothing you cannot achieve. I remember those days in school, looking for ways to make money. I used to go to all these photographers. They will give me pictures of people they snap. I'll start putting them in foreign background and I'll just push shadow on the floor. When I push shadow, they will pay me. But today, do we need something like that? They have this AI now, they do. They will just carry your face and put everything safe, even the clothes you are wearing, everything will transform. They will just transform you overnight. When you look at it, you know that making money will sweet. You just wish that you are like that. So what you are seeing today, what I'm doing today, you should not come in next 2 years and I will be speaking like this. If I'm speaking like this, it means I'm not improving. And if you know me here, you've listened to me before, and what I'm telling you, saying yes, it is everything I said the other time, I'm not improving. Because as we are, there is no limit to what you can achieve. Osimhen was coming from the remotest place. He was so poor, very, very poor. Do you know what it means to run pure water? How much will you make from pure water after selling one bag? Hello? How much will you make from pure water after selling one bag? That's the highest rate of poverty. And that was what they were upping. And yet, suddenly, after how many years, they are now pricing in $1 million, £1 million. Tempo for learning. Increase your tempo. Early this year, I traveled to Ibadan and I spent 3 months. All I went was to training because I needed to have I wanted to change what people are seeing about my business. And that was all I did. After 3 months, I came back, I started seeing changes. And next year, I've already registered for another training in Lagos. That is the only way you grow. Learn to grow. If you cannot afford going to Lagos, there are places around you. Why I decided to go to Lagos, let me share with you. I'm not going to Lagos because that's the only place you can get. You can get them around there. But why I traveled that far is because I have businesses that if I remain close, they will not allow me to concentrate. Are you understanding it? That's why I prefer going far. So please make sure you are improving. Make sure that you don't sleep any day and old version of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Please, can we appreciate you better? Can we appreciate you better? Can we appreciate you better? Thank you very much, sir. We sincerely appreciate you. Thank you for taking us through that educating, enlightening process If you did not get anything from all he said, ambassador.
These are people that ask questions after the.
Wow. Photographer Samobanga. We have the next person. It's Robert Vincent. Vincent. If you don't come, I will come. The ambassadorial, this thing we're talking about now, no don't know. I feel answer your name, no, sharp, collector. Collector, sharp. Congratulations to you. We don't reach you. One of the smart ushers we have in the house, congratulations to you. Courtesy of LP International Ambassador. Add it to your name.
I'm like the first person who knew, and those are come on my spirit down. People, they're back in this event, because now no one can make you work for we talk and everything, and we stay. Only team for the work, they do. Only team for the work, they do. So now I see it. So my brother, come.
Pastor, we're not congratulations to you. Double portion.
Now, another person.
Great.
Because every guy is a teaching man that way of playing.
Great.
Okay, for you, corresponding very well. Then never in the direction you need to see. So, how is it?
Congratulations. You go camera, make I hold this one now. Alpha. Collect a mail, people.
You know what I'm finding?
Plan. You have a plan because that means the code. It is well with my soul. No, it is well, no. I want to know. Be in the mood of worship. Be in the mood of worship. Some people are catching the river. They are catching the river. They are catching the river. My brother is not like this. They are easy with us. Pascal, be well. The Lord is your strength. The Lord is your strength. Who is waiting over there? About one person, of course, you say that the Lord is your strength. If you want to cry, cry. If you want to cry, cry. If you want to make it back on the aqua. How to make it back with the aqua. How to make it back when you come. Please be careful with that brother. Be very careful with him. God bless you. You are blessed. Sister, be very careful. That anything more than you. Hey. They will not come out. They will not enter that one. Now I will shake that leg. If you want to stand, stand. If you want to stand, go up, go up, go up. See, somebody was exchanging number now. You don't cut that number. I just need 3 people to come out and dance. 3 people. Just come out, 3 people. Don't worry, they are shy. Don't worry, free entrance, sister come. Don't worry, don't mind them. Spirit has led me to you. You pray for me. She's shy, little. Hey, there's love in the air. Yeah. I am very young. Let's get Mama is here. Mama. I miss you. Okay, let's sing it. Come on, get you. You know the ushers now. I know you're tired. Stand up, what's this up? See usher, sit down. Sit down. Yeah, you marriage. How far? So, you just I will pursue you. I before I go. Is allowed. praise you all. We must pray you, Lord. So let us go carry on. Father, some of them, you don't know say that Father, you did wait for white, but you just say you just come casual. No.
All protocols observed. I know this is the last session and you might not want something very heavy, something very dry. So we'll try as much as possible to make it interactive and lively.